The CFMOTO 450MT comes with a skid plate. On the side here a little bit plastic, and down there's a metal skid plate. It's a little bit thin material, not very strong. So today I will install a real skid plate. And I got this one here. Let me show you. This is a skid plate. This one is from Hepco and Becker. Today I will install this skid plate. Should be quite easy, not that much of work, but first I have to deinstall the old one. Okay, so the installation should be quite easy. I will start with the plastic ones here. Just 2 screws on each side. And then this plastic part here is gone. For the metal plate you need 13 mil, number 1. Yeah, it's just 2 screws. Okay, same on the left side. Screw number 1 and number 2. Then you can take off this plastic part here. One. And number 2. Okay, that's it. So the skid plate is off now, and now you can see the material. It's you can bend it with your hand, so it's very thin material. It's just some small aluminium plate. And if you compare the material with this one, 2 different worlds. So this one is really for people who want to go a little bit more off-road and protect the engine. So for the installation you get a small instruction. I think it should be quite easy. Here it is. So first we start over here. We have to install this bracket here. Okay. Okay, so one side of the mount here is finished already, so now I have to put this one on the other side. I have to loosen this bolt here. Okay, oh, that's a very short one. So now this bolt gets in here. The nut on the other side was a little bit difficult to place because of the center stand. Okay, so it's not so easy if you do it alone. So I started with the bolts down here and now go on this side here. It's better. So tighten all screws again. So this is very stable, super solid. I think with this skid plate you can go over rocks and everything is protected. You have everything protected down here, so the exhaust is protected, the engine cover is protected, the side is protected, and you get a little bit better protection to the top because this is not as high as the other one. You see, this one goes a little bit more up, so the exhaust is a little bit more protected than with the standard one. And this material, of course, no comparison. It's better than having nothing, but I think this one is much more stable than this one. This one, of course, gives you a little bit more airflow for the exhaust because it has more openings, but on the other side, this one is protecting everything much better. Okay, so that's it. Installation was a little bit difficult because if you are alone and you don't have someone who's holding anything, then it's difficult to get the first screws inside. But if you're walking from the back here, from this mount to the front, then it's manageable also when you are alone. And the result is amazing. I mean, this is a skid plate. This gives the engine and the exhaust the perfect protection. If you are planning to do some off-road or gravel roads, no stones can hit the engine or the exhaust. This is super rugged, super stable. And maybe I will combine this skid plate with some crash guards. So this will be maybe in the next video. But compared to this standard skid plate from CFMOTO, this is a much better one. The link is down in the video description, just in case you are interested. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you are riding, ride safe. See you in the next one. Take care and cheers.